Hello and welcome to Python by tutorial. In this video we are going to write a code to edit images in Python. We are going to use a Python module OpenCV and NumPy. Let us start by importing the modules. So let us import CV2, that is OpenCV, and import NumPy as NP. So we are going to need NumPy to do some operations on the image. So let us first open the image. To open the image, let us declare a variable image and use cv2 im read, and we are going to use the sample image.jpg. So this is a file that I have already placed in the working directory. And now let us display the image that we have opened. To display the image, we are going to use cv2.im show, and we are going to name the image. So we always im show requires two arguments. First is the image name, so we are going to keep the same title to the image name, and then the image file. So this is the image object. If we run this now, you will not see any image showing up because the image opens and closes immediately. So we have to add a function called as WeightKey. So what the WeightKey will wait for some operation. So here WeightKey will wait for some key operation for the window to close. So now if we run now, so we have the image opened over here. So we can see that there is a Rubik's cube which is multicolored. I'm going to resize it so that we can see it in the display. So this is the image. So if I now press any key, so I'm going to press enter, the function will stop. So this is how we can open an image in using OpenCV. In the next one, we are going to see how to resize this image. So you saw that the image was too big, we need to resize it. So let us now resize. So to resize the image, I'm going to get rid of this over here. I'm going to comment it out so that we can continue resize the image. So in this part we are going to use the same image. So we are going to give a new image name, so resize, and we are going to give cv2.resize. so this function will resize the image to whatever size we want. So we give the image and then we give the marker. So this is the marker where the image is, and then we are going to give a ratio. So horizontally we have to reduce this image to 10%, so that is 0.1, and vertically also we want to reduce it to 0.1. So this way we have reduced the image, and the new image is stored in the variable this resize image. So now let us print the same thing. So let us see the reduced size. So I am show, and we are going to see resize image, and we are going to give resize image as the object, and we need to add cv2 key weight key, and we are going to add 0 here. And now if we run this, now you see we have a smaller image. We don't have to resize it, it's already resized. The image is reduced to 10% in all the aspect ratio, so horizontally and vertically. Now I'm going to press enter, so this image closes and we are out of the program. So in the next one we will see how to edit images. Over here we are going to do a grayscale, that is we are going to make this image black and white. So make image grayscale, that is black and white image. So to do that, let's see, we are going to use the resized image. So we are going to say gray image, and we are going to save it in cv2 convert color, and then we are going to give the image name over here. So that is resize image, and then we are going to give it to what color combination we have to reduce. So cv2 dot color. So if you do cv dot color, we get a lot of options over here to change the color. We are going to change it to RGB to gray. So we are going to change it to RGB to gray. So this image is now grayscale. Now I'm going to comment this so that we can display the gray image over here. So I'm going to copy paste this stuff because we are going to need more or less the same thing over here. I'm going to change this to gray image, and this parameter is going to be gray image over here. So now if I run this, I need to add underscore over here. So if I run this, we can see that we have got a black and white grayscale image over here. So I'm going to press enter. So this image closes. Let us now see the size of each images. So let us see size of images, and let us print the size of the three images that we have. So let us say original image, and I'm going to print the image dot shape, then F resized image, and I'm going to print resize image dot shape. So dot shape will give us the size of the matrix, that is the image. So let us say gray image, and we are going to say gray image dot shape. So now when we run this, we get an output which says that the original image is 4352, 5412, 3. So you see that the original image and resized images, the first two dimensions are reduced by 10% because we resized it to 10%, and the matrix is still 3-dimensional because it has 3 colors, red, green and blue in it. The last one is a gray image. It has only 2 dimensions. So because it only defines white and black, so how dark is the black? So if it goes from white to 255 to black 0. So that is how the matrix is defined over here. So now let us see how do we concatenate, or how can we join the images. So I am going to join images, and for that purpose we have imported the NumPy library to join image. So let us say join image, and we are going to say cv, so not cv2 but numpy dot concatenate, and then we are going to give the 2 parameters. So we are going to take the resized image comma resized image. So we are going to give 2 resized images, and then we are going to join. So to join 2 matrix using NumPy, the size of the matrix has to be same. So I cannot join original to resize because the size of the matrix is different. I cannot join original to grayscale because original is a 3-dimensional and gray image is a 2-dimensional. So I have to use the same image over here. So and I'm going to join it by axis 1, and let us now show this image. So I'm going to copy this because we are going to show this image over here. So let's get rid of the comments, and then let us say joined image, and I'm going to change the to join image over here. And now if I run, I'm going to get an image like this. Because it was axis 1, it was the horizontal axis. Now if I press enter, and if we make this as axis 0, it is the vertical axis, and we are going to get a joining of the images like this. So there are various other functions, other methods which are involved or which are there in OpenCV, where you can open the image, change the color, update it to anything, and you can save these images. So whatever operations that we do in our Paint or in Photoshop, all these things you can do it real time or dynamically on image processing. So image processing, one of the important library is OpenCV, and I would really recommend you to go see more details. And if you have any questions, post a comment in the comment section. I'm happy to help you, and see you in the next video. Thank you.